Okay, hello everyone. My name is Mark, and now let's finally talk about how we can live stream in OBS. Now, this is the part where it is the most important to know. Now, there are multiple ways we can stream live on OBS. We could use YouTube, we could use Twitter, we could use, and also we could use Facebook Live. Now, for this example, because diri man ta kasagaran mag live, excuse me, we will use uh, Facebook Live. Now, if you want to live stream on Facebook, what we would need to do is first go to any browser. Let's say, for example, here, and then go to the live streaming page. Di na ako i-change, di na ako mo open because privacy. But normally, mo ni makita nimo. Kano siya normally mo makita nimo. What you need to do is go to the streaming software. Dayon, diri ka maka-adjust ninyo ang live. There's post details, pwede mo maka-change unsa yung post if you wanted, pwede kayo nga maka-change mo sa title, pwede kayo ang title mahimo siyang hello world, something, hello world, or let's say Liberty Baptist Church test live, something for example. Dayon, pwede po dayon. Yeah, mo na siya. Then, here's the thing that we need to do, importantly. First, what you need to do is you need to get the stream key. Kani siya, this right here, the stream key. Kani stream key, as I mentioned previously, mao ni ang ID sa imuang account. Diri mo labay, diri para makabalo ang OBS where to output your stream. So what I want you to do is kwaon ninyo ni kani siya stream key. Inyo dayon i-select all and copy. You could press Control C para ma-copy nyo siya. Long press Control then C, or you could just copy. You can press copy. After that, go back to OBS and then go to settings. No problem. And then go to settings. Once you're in settings, I want you to go to stream. Pag abot nyo dito sa stream, inyong i-change ang stream key. Dapat imong service is nakabutang sa Facebook Live para mo ni makita ninyo. Ang server is default, dayon inyo dayon i-change ning stream key. Currently mo ni akong stream key right now. What I want you to do is select nyo all, then Control V. Kung inyo i-copy and paste itong ganina, itong stream katong nasa kani nga stream key. Kung inyong i-copy and paste kanina, then inyong i-control V right now, ma-copy and paste ninyo ang stream key na imong i-copy ganina. Now, by doing this, press apply, then okay. Excuse me. Then okay. Pwede na dayon ta maka-live. So, for example, if I wanted to live, I would press kaning start streaming. Pag-press na ko aning start streaming, connect na. Makabalo ka nga ni connect na dun siya, basta nakabutang siya og stop streaming. Diri sa ubos, makita ninyo ang inyong dropped frames. Kaning dropped frames, mo ni ang mga frames nga wala na send either because galag ka or because nawala inyong wifi. Kaning siya number here, kaning kilobytes per second, this is the number of bytes you are sending per second. So, kung ako na siya i-make it into simpler words, I am currently sending 2.5 megabytes per second of data. Dayon. So, pakuman mo din ta sa tuwang browser para ma-check na to kung ga-live stream ma ta. Then there is a tuwang page right here. Kung manawag ka, makita there is a video. So unsay output nimo makita diri. And remember, when you are live streaming on Facebook Live, nadyo na siya delay. Probably, maybe 1 minute delay ba siya? Maybe 2 minutes delay? Or maybe even 5 minutes delay. I'm not sure pila ang delay, but all I know is nadyo na delay sa unsay may tabo. Right now, di unsay makita sa live. Mahay po na actually nga na delay para at least makapas yung wifi na to. So, mo ni, makita nimo unsay output sa mo live, there is a video section. Ano siya? Makita niyo ang output sa mo live. If I do some stuff here, if I wait pila ka seconds, makitaan din niyo ang na mahitabo sa video. Example, nahitabo di ba? There, see. Video late ang kapaspas niya. So, after this, after nabot mo diri, you just then go here. Kung dili pa mo maka-live diri, like kani siya, wala pa man siya nakabutang og live wala pa siya nakabutang og live. You need to complete these 3 steps. Una is connect video source, which is already completed gikan sa OBS, then complete post details. Wala din na complete nako, so i-complete sa nako ang post nako. Give me a second. Description, just copy and paste this. Save. Kung man, nakita ninyo, pwede na ako maka-live. Then, kulang na lang is go live. Then, once I am ready to live, ako i-press ning go live button. Then, I am good to go. Ga-live na dayon ko. Then, congratulations, once you press go live, you are live streaming. But, di sa ko mag-live kay matingala sila nga ga-live ko sa akong account. So, mag-stop streaming ko. Dayon, once you are ready, or once mo man naka-live, you just press stop streaming, then ma-end na dayon ang imong live stream, and then congratulations, you have successfully live streamed. So, thank you for watching.